Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the adapter safe and visible. Unplug it and wait 10 to 15 minutes so capacitors bleed down. This prevents shocks and false readings. Next, remove labeling and pry open seam clips with a thin pick. Work one side at a time to avoid breaking plastic tabs. Once the case opens, photograph internal layout and connector orientation. These photos guide reassembly and clarify which wires and board components you'll test. You now diagnose the electronics to isolate the fault. Start with a close visual scan for burn marks, bulging capacitors, or lifted pads because these indicate failures you can replace. Then use a multimeter to check continuity, diode drops on rectifiers, and the 5V or fast charge rail. This tells you whether regulation stage or input switching failed. If you find bad solder or components, desolder and replace with same value capacitor. You finish by reassembling and validating the repair. Reseat the PCB, align plastic clips, and snap the housing closed while keeping wiring untwisted. Reinstall screws and any insulating tape. First test unloaded output to confirm correct voltages, then attach a 1 amp load while watching for heat and voltage sag. This proves stability under real conditions. If problems persist, make sure you didn't reverse polarity, miss a cold solder joint, or leave a damaged trace. Those are the common fixes that follow.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.